Welcome. Today, we're diving into the balanced scorecard approach and its vital role in strategic management. The balanced scorecard is more than just a performance measurement tool, it's a comprehensive framework that helps organizations translate their vision and strategy into actionable objectives. By balancing financial and non financial perspectives, it ensures that companies don't focus solely on short term results, but also on long term value creation. In this video, we'll explore the origins, structure, and practical applications of the balanced scorecard, guiding you through each perspective and showing how it can transform strategic planning. Let's start by understanding what makes this approach so impactful in today's business world. Balanced scorecard was first introduced in the early 1990s by Robert Kaplan and David Norton. They recognized that traditional financial metrics alone couldn't capture the full picture of organizational performance. Their innovative approach integrated financial measures with other key business drivers, such as customer satisfaction, internal processes, and learning and growth. This holistic view allowed companies to align their day-to-day operations with long-term strategic goals. The balanced scorecard quickly gained popularity, becoming a cornerstone of modern strategic management and helping organizations worldwide to achieve sustained success. At its core, the balanced scorecard is about balance, balancing short-term and long-term objectives, financial and non-financial measures, and internal and external performance drivers. It provides a structured way to look beyond traditional accounting measures and consider what truly drives organizational success. By focusing on four key perspectives: financial, customer, internal processes, and learning and growth, the balanced scorecard ensures that strategies are comprehensive and aligned across the organization. This balance helps leaders make better decisions and track progress toward strategic goals. Balanced scorecard framework is built around four main perspectives: financial, customer, internal processes, and learning and growth. Each perspective offers a unique lens through which to view organizational performance. The financial perspective focuses on profitability and shareholder value. The customer perspective emphasizes customer satisfaction and market share. Internal processes look at the efficiency and quality of business operation. Finally, learning and growth centers on employee development and innovation. Together, these perspectives create a well-rounded approach to strategic management. Start with the financial perspective. This area measures how well the organization is achieving its financial objectives and creating value for shareholders. Common metrics include revenue growth, profitability, return on investment, and cost management. While financial results are important, the balanced scorecard reminds us that they are outcomes of effective strategies in other areas as well. By integrating financial goals with non-financial drivers, organizations can ensure sustainable performance over time. Customer perspective shifts the focus to those who buy and use the organization's products or services. Here, the goal is to understand and improve customer satisfaction, loyalty, and retention. Metrics might include customer satisfaction scores, market share, and customer retention rates. By prioritizing the customer experience, organizations can build stronger relationships and gain a competitive edge. This perspective ensures that strategies are not just internally focused, but also responsive to market needs. Internal processes perspective examines how well the organization's operations are running. It looks at the efficiency, quality, and effectiveness of internal workflows that deliver value to customers and stakeholders. Typical metrics include process cycle time, quality rates, and productivity measures. By continuously improving internal processes, organizations can reduce costs, enhance quality, and respond more quickly to changing market demand. This perspective is key to operational excellence. Learning and growth perspective focuses on the organization's ability to innovate, improve, and grow. It emphasizes employee development, skills, and organizational culture. Metrics in this area might include employee satisfaction, training hours, and innovation rates. By investing in people and fostering a culture of continuous learning, organizations can adapt to change and drive long-term success. This perspective ensures that the foundation for future growth is always being strengthened. One of the balanced scorecard's greatest strengths is its ability to link high-level strategy to day-to-day actions. By breaking down strategic objectives into specific measurable goals across all four perspectives, organizations can ensure that everyone is working toward the same vision. This alignment helps teams understand how their work contributes to overall success, making strategy tangible and actionable at every level. Cascading the balanced scorecard means translating top-level objectives into goals and measures for departments and individuals. This process ensures that strategic priorities are reflected in every part of the organization. By aligning objectives at all levels, companies can create a sense of ownership and accountability, driving coordinated action and consistent progress towards strategic goals. Choosing the right metrics is crucial for an effective balanced scorecard. Metrics should be specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound, often referred to as SMART goals. By carefully selecting indicators that reflect strategic priorities, organizations can track progress accurately and make informed decisions. The right metrics provide clarity and focus, ensuring that efforts are directed where they matter most. Once metrics are chosen, the next step is to set targets and define initiatives to achieve them. Targets provide a clear benchmark for success, while initiatives outline the specific actions needed to reach those goals. This process helps organizations move from strategy formulation to implementation, ensuring that plans are translated into results. Regular review of targets and initiatives keeps teams motivated and on track. Effective communication is essential for the balanced scorecard to succeed. Leaders must clearly explain the strategy, objectives, and measures to all employees, ensuring everyone understands their role in achieving the vision. Open communication fosters engagement, alignment, and a shared sense of purpose. Regular updates and feedback sessions help maintain momentum and address challenges as they arise. Monitoring and reviewing performance is a continuous process in the balanced scorecard approach. Organizations should regularly track progress against targets, analyze results, and identify areas for improvement. This ongoing review enables timely adjustments to strategies and initiatives, ensuring that the organization stays on course. Performance reviews also provide valuable insights for future planning and decision-making. Business environment is constantly evolving, and the balanced scorecard must be flexible enough to adapt. Organizations should be prepared to update objectives, metrics, and initiatives in response to new challenges and opportunities. This adaptability ensures that the balanced scorecard remains relevant and effective, supporting long-term success even as circumstances change. Balanced scorecard works best when integrated with other strategic management tools, such as SWOT analysis, benchmarking, and performance dashboards. Combining these tools provides a more comprehensive view of organizational performance and enhances decision-making. Integration also streamlines reporting and ensures that all strategic efforts are aligned and mutually reinforcing. Leadership plays a critical role in the success of the balanced scorecard. Leaders must champion the approach, provide clear direction, and allocate resources to support strategic initiatives. Their commitment sets the tone for the entire organization, inspiring teams to embrace the balanced scorecard and work collaboratively toward shared goals. Employee involvement is essential for the balanced scorecard to deliver results. Engaging employees in the development and implementation of the scorecard fosters ownership, motivation, and accountability. When employees understand how their work contributes to strategic objectives, they are more likely to be committed and proactive in driving success. For the balanced scorecard to be effective, organizational culture must support the strategy. This means fostering values such as collaboration, innovation, and continuous improvement. When culture and strategy are aligned, employees are more likely to embrace change and work together toward common goals, making the balanced scorecard a powerful driver of transformation. Implementing the balanced scorecard can present challenges, such as resistance to change, lack of clarity, or insufficient resources. Addressing these challenges requires strong leadership, clear communication, and ongoing support. By anticipating obstacles and proactively managing them, organizations can ensure a smoother implementation and maximize the benefits of the balanced scorecard. Let's look at a real-world example. A global manufacturing company implemented the balanced scorecard to align its international operations. By focusing on all four perspectives, the company improved financial performance, increased customer satisfaction, streamlined internal processes, and fostered a culture of innovation. This holistic approach helped the company achieve its strategic objectives and maintain a competitive edge in the market. In this case, we learn that success with the balanced scorecard requires commitment at all levels, clear communication, and a willingness to adapt. The company's experience highlights the importance of integrating the scorecard into daily operations and regularly reviewing progress. These lessons can guide other organizations as they embark on their own balanced scorecard journey. While the balanced scorecard is a powerful tool, there are common pitfalls to watch out for. These include focusing too much on financial metrics, neglecting employee input, or failing to update the scorecard as conditions change. Avoiding these mistakes requires a balanced approach, ongoing engagement, and a commitment to continuous improvement. Balanced scorecard is versatile and can be adapted to various industries, from healthcare and education to manufacturing and technology. Each sector may emphasize different perspectives or metrics, but the core principles remain the same. This flexibility makes the balanced scorecard a valuable tool for organizations of all types and sizes. The public sector, the balanced scorecard helps government agencies and nonprofits align their missions with measurable outcomes. By focusing on service delivery, stakeholder satisfaction, and operational efficiency, public organizations can improve transparency, accountability, and overall performance. The balanced scorecard supports better decision-making and resource allocation in these settings. Nonprofit organizations use the balanced scorecard to clarify their mission, measure impact, and improve resource management. By adapting the four perspectives to their unique goals, nonprofits can track progress, demonstrate value to donors, and enhance their ability to serve communities. This approach ensures that mission-driven organizations remain focused and effective. In technology-driven industries, the balanced scorecard emphasizes innovation, agility, and continuous learning. Metrics might include product development cycles, technology adoption rates, and employee training. By focusing on these areas, tech companies can stay ahead of the curve and respond quickly to market changes, ensuring long-term competitiveness. Healthcare organizations use the balanced scorecard to improve patient outcomes, operational efficiency, and staff development. Metrics may include patient satisfaction, treatment quality, and employee training. By aligning strategic objectives with patient care, healthcare providers can deliver better services and achieve organizational excellence. Educational institutions apply the balanced scorecard to enhance student learning, faculty development, and operational effectiveness. Metrics might include graduation rates, student satisfaction, and faculty training. This approach helps schools and universities align their strategies with educational goals, ensuring continuous improvement and academic excellence. Small businesses can benefit from the balanced scorecard by focusing on growth, customer relationships, and operational efficiency. By tailoring the four perspectives to their unique needs, small businesses can set clear goals, track progress, and make informed decisions. This approach supports sustainable growth and long-term success. Balanced scorecard is used by organizations around the world to drive strategic alignment and performance. Its universal principles make it adaptable to different cultures, markets, and regulatory environments. By customizing the scorecard to local needs, global organizations can achieve consistency while respecting regional differences. Digital transformation is reshaping how organizations use the balanced scorecard. With advanced analytics and real-time data, companies can monitor performance more closely and respond faster to changes. Digital tools also make it easier to communicate strategy, track progress, and engage employees at all levels. Sustainability and ESG, environmental, social, and governance factors are increasingly important in strategic management. The balanced scorecard can incorporate sustainability metrics such as carbon footprint, social impact, and ethical governance. This integration helps organizations balance financial goals with broader responsibilities to society and the environment. Continuous improvement is at the heart of the balanced scorecard approach. By regularly reviewing performance and seeking ways to enhance processes, organizations can stay agile and competitive. This commitment to improvement ensures that strategies remain effective and relevant in a changing world. Many organizations use specialized software to manage their balanced scorecard. These tools simplify data collection, reporting, and analysis, making it easier to track progress and share results. Software solutions also support collaboration and transparency, helping teams stay aligned and focused on strategic objectives. Risk management is an important aspect of strategic planning. The balanced scorecard can help organizations identify, assess, and mitigate risks by integrating risk-related metrics into each perspective. This proactive approach ensures that potential threats are addressed before they impact performance. Change management is critical when implementing the balanced scorecard. Organizations must prepare employees for new processes, provide training, and address concerns. Effective change management ensures a smooth transition and increases the likelihood of successful adoption and long-term results. Innovation is a key driver of long-term success. The balanced scorecard encourages organizations to set innovation goals and track progress through relevant metrics. By fostering a culture of creativity and experimentation, companies can stay ahead of competitors and adapt to changing markets. Customer experience is central to the balanced scorecard's customer perspective. By measuring and improving every touchpoint, organizations can build loyalty and drive growth. This focus on customer needs ensures that strategies are aligned with market expectations and deliver real value. Employee engagement is vital for achieving strategic goals. The balanced scorecard encourages organizations to measure engagement and invest in employee development. Engaged employees are more productive, innovative, and committed to organizational success, making them a key asset in any strategy. Organizational learning is a cornerstone of the balanced scorecard's learning and growth perspective. By fostering a culture of knowledge sharing and continuous improvement, organizations can adapt to change and drive innovation. Learning organizations are better equipped to achieve long-term success. Strategic alignment ensures that all parts of the organization are working toward the same goals. The balanced scorecard provides a framework for aligning objectives, measures, and initiatives across departments and teams. This alignment drives synergy, efficiency, and better results. Accountability is built into the balanced scorecard through clear metrics and regular reviews. By assigning responsibility for each objective and measure, organizations create a culture of ownership and performance. This accountability ensures that strategies are executed effectively and goals are achieved. Performance culture is essential for sustained success. The balanced scorecard helps organizations build this culture by setting clear expectations, measuring results, and rewarding achievement. Over time, this focus on performance drives continuous improvement and organizational excellence. Conclusion: the balanced scorecard is a powerful approach to strategic management. By integrating financial and non-financial perspectives, aligning strategy with action, and fostering a culture of continuous improvement, organizations can achieve lasting success. Whether you're in business, government, or nonprofit, the balanced scorecard provides a roadmap for turning vision into reality. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the balanced scorecard approach.